this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas village tree using shelving hardware that you find at your big box stores for closets and storage areas and garages. This is a simple way of using that hardware along with some plywood for shelves. The product of this is going to look bare, but the thing that's going to make this really look truly decorative is going to be the decorations, the Christmas decorations that you're going to add afterwards, such as your bowls and Christmas bells, light, garland, things like that that's going to help fill up this tree. Especially this is really for a village type of tree, so it has a lot of platform space available. In addition to the hardware shelving materials, I'm also going to use some styrofoam, which is usually insulation panels that you find 1 inch thick, some ultra lightweight MDF. All these are going to form the shelves, and then I'm just going to drill holes around the perimeter of the shelves, be used to decorate with garland. Here I'm using a 1 inch pole, approximately 1.5 inches in diameter, and I'm fastening using machine screws, fastening the vertical support racks from my shelving. You can see here I'm using this tree stand, but this is an old tree stand. It doesn't quite fit, but I'm just using it just to make sure I get everything set up properly. So you can see I'm trying to force friction fit this into the pole, into the stand. But again, if I had a real good stand with some thumb screw bracing, that would hold this more vertically straight and more secure. The village tree I'm making is going to have 4 levels of shelves. Here I'm starting to drill holes around the perimeter of each shelf and loop wire through them, which is going to in turn hold the garland around the perimeter. At this point off camera, I just got through spray painting everything green. I didn't want to expose my camera to the mist coming off of the spray paint, so you didn't see that. Here I'm cutting the wires that are going to go through each one of those holes. That's going to loop around and eventually hold the garland going around the perimeter of each shelf. Here's a tip for you. The thicker the garland that you put around the perimeter of each shelf, the more realistic your tree looks. It doesn't look like just shells on a stick, but it makes it look more like a fuller tree.